The masoor dal and moong dal together have a unique, delicious, and sweet taste. They are cooked with a minimum of spices, so this is a very simple but also tasty recipe. Start by washing dal thoroughly until the water becomes clear. In a pressure cooker, put water and add dal. Put on a medium flame and wait for the foam released by the dal to finish. For the ingredients we take, chopped ginger, 4 cloves garlic, 1 big onion. And the spices, salt, paprika, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, chili powder, and green chilies. When the foam ends, add all the ingredients. You can add a bit of oil. Chopped tomato 300 grams. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 20 minutes. I love rain. After 20 minutes, after cooling, put the pot back on the stove. Time for tarka. For tarka, you only need oil or desi ghee, onion, and garlic. Fry the ingredients until it gets brown. This step gives the dal a sweetish flavor. Add the onions in the dal and cover the pot. Garnish with oregano or coriander leaves. Your dal is ready. Serve with basmati rice or naan.